wild, dude.
Yeah.
Switch the engine up from went from it used to be in the back, it used exhaust.
Yeah.
The engine in the front, which used to be the trunk.
Yeah, that's cool.
This thing has got a Corvair front and a Corvette back.
Yeah, pretty
Got a
sick.
roll bar in it.
What's with the sunglasses, by the way?
It's very sunny out.
80s.
Sunglasses are this invention that helps protect your eye from bright sun.
That's good.
Wow.
You gotta take a look at this thing.
What? You just drove in that?
Yeah, I just drove it all around Freeport down the nautical mile.
Really?
Yeah.
All in ass. I heard the engine's crazy.
Yeah, this thing is like, it's like a butt.
Like a butt. What does that mean?
It's like built from all different pieces of different cars.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's a mutt. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
No.
Whoa.
Whoa!
That's a good break! Right? That was a good break. I think I got that on tape.
Really?
Yeah.